What up, my cruisers? It's the AZ Cruiser right here. On this episode, we're going to a little meet with State 48 off-roaders. Alright, let's get it. Custom grill or whatever?
Amazon grill.
EAG?
No, Amazon, dude.
You just put that logo on there?
No, I came with it. It was just an Amazon find. It was
yeah, me too.
pretty
My
cheap, affordable.
whole truck's built on Amazon.
You know what I mean?
That's mine right there. It's all built on Amazon.
Yeah, it's that low budget build, dude.
My lights are Amazon.
I bought it. I've had it for what?
Yeah.
I think I'm going on 4 years now.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
So it came with the
light bar you got on Amazon too?
I've just had to swap out because the other one burnt out on it.
Oh yeah.
And then so far I've just upgraded the wheels to 295 17s.
Okay.
And then
that's kind of what I got. That's kind of what I got, except I got 16s, not 17s.
Yeah, and I just put a 2-inch spacer on there. I used to have Foxes on it, but I blew out the Fox, the 2.0s.
Oh
so
yeah.
I went back to Bilstein for right now.
Oh yeah.
And we just had to do the cab chop right there on the bottom. But yeah, dude, she takes flight for just stock still, you know.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, mine is pretty much stock too. I haven't really done anything.
Yeah, the rear's just 2 inches.
Yeah, rear's kind of sagging, huh? Is it like
I bent the bed.
Oh, you bent it?
Yeah, I'm a landscaper, and I loaded it with dirt and rock. Getting
I'm like,
it out of
it's kind of slanted like
and
that.
Yeah. So the right side, the left side is bent an inch down. So we need to cut it and then bring it back up. So that's another thing on the project.
No, it's like a bag.
It's
like
a trasheroo.
Yeah, trasheroo.
Yeah, so we just throw our trash, you know, not to try not to litter. But yeah, man, I still got some things coming up. I got new methods that I'm gonna get.
Oh, the wheels, the method wheels. Yeah. I heard about those. And
then yeah, King shocks are coming next too with arms. I'm gonna get Dirt King arms.
Oh well, how big's the King shock's gonna be? How much will it lift? Like 3-inch lift or what?
4 inch.
4 inch.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty high now.
Yeah, 4 inch. It's out of 2, so 2 inches higher.
It's gonna be high. Yeah. We need bigger tires too. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, this is a good size so far for the truck, because I mean the rear end is still stock.
Oh yeah.
So I mean, until I re-gear, then yeah, definitely bigger tires.
Oh, you guys re-gear too, huh?
Yeah.
They're saying to re-gear on this too, but nah, it's slow already, so.
Yeah, dude.
It's not gonna be any faster.
Right. I mean, well, unless you put. I mean, you have the intake already. You can chip it out. So maybe put a bigger throttle body on it.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
You know?
I need to get a winch. That's what I need.
Yeah.
Front.
You want a winch?
Well, it has a space right there.
The space for it. Yeah.
I got
the ARB is pretty good.
ARB winch.
Oh.
That's why I got it right there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just started it.
Cool, man.
Hell yeah. Moab. You guys been to Moab yet?
Not yet, no.
Yeah, I just want a Moab.
I need one. I'm a little thirsty.
I just came back from Moab in this thing. I made it all the way there.
Yeah?
Oil leaking, everything. I'm leaking oil too. I was just checking it every couple 500 miles.
Right? What's up, dude? Did you call it in?
No. I got it.
Oh, okay. Is it busy in
They're
there?
super quick. No.
Yeah? Okay, cool. Yeah, I was thinking about calling it in really quick.
I just made one, so. All right. I like all the custom decals you put on there. That's pretty cool.
That'll be the last time it looks like that.
It's gonna get scratched up or what?
No, it's gonna have
Oh.
steering.
Oh, okay.
That'll be here within hopefully another week.
It's gonna get. You gonna get new steering? You said.
All brand new steering.
Oh wow. What's it got? Okay. Black Rhino wheels.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. Ooh. Is this a wrap? Is this a wrap on here, or you painted this?
Oh, it's painted.
Oh, it's painted?
Yeah.
Damn, how'd you do that? That's pretty cool. So you just did it in steps or something? Like you did a pattern?
It's actually about 5 layers worth of colors, and it's a just spray paint. Okay.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
that's cool. Yeti. Cool husky.
Yeah. Mom's got a park right. Yeah. Yeah. Mom doesn't know how to park one.
Might be on my YouTube.
Sure.
All right, I just made one, so just getting started.
Yeah,
Need
that's what it
content,
takes,
man. Need
man.
content.
Yep.
Yeah, my rig's over there. It's the black 80 series Landcruiser.
We're gonna be on your
I got
channel.
a
You
Landcruiser.
gotta tell us what the name of your channel is.
Oh yeah, it's
Oh,
called
yeah, you gotta.
it's called the AZ Cruiser.
AZ Cruiser?
Yeah, AZ Cruiser, like for
Yeah.
Arizona
Nice.
Cruiser. Yep. Yes, sir. I just came back from Moab, so
Ah, nice.
I got some videos from Utah over there.
Yeah, that's a pretty area.
Yeah. Oh, you got some custom light switches right here. That's cool. Is that oh, is that the comms right there? Is that
Radio, yeah.
Radio, comms radio. You got a dash camera, microphone.
Yeah, I ended up painting
Yeah, I
the
need
dash
to-
as well. The,
Oh, yeah.
the inside
Oh
of the base.
yeah, I see
It's
it.
all,
Oh, let me get it brighter. Oh, I see it.
you get-
Yeah, that's cool. I like that camo.
yeah, it takes
I like
a
that
lot.
desert camo look.
Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you? Hi, Alyssa. Hi, I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you. My pet is okay. You're so fluffy.
At the Blind JK. All right, let me see. Let me pull up my Instagram real quick. Southern Grace. Southern.
That's where we're going.
There's a guy in the group. It's called Base Camp.
What's up,
I
man?
don't know if he's doing. I know he's doing.
Is your rig right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, what's up?
Ray, nice to meet you, bro.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's cool. I should have parked over here.
Where you at?
I got the 80 series
Oh,
Land Cruiser. Yeah, no, so I'm all the way over there.
Yeah.
Too late now.
Really
Too late now.
I don't know.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, Team LRD, man. Team
Yeah, for
LRD.
sure.
I got. Did you get that from Cruiser Gear, or where did you get that from?
Yeah, Cruiser Gear.
Yeah, I got the same one.
Yeah.
I got the same one.
Yeah, I wanted to put him on the bottom, but I did it during the summer last summer, and dude, it was like, oh wow, I was like,
Oh, you might be on YouTube. I have a YouTube actually. I just started it.
yeah,
Yeah. So.
yeah. What you got?
See me on YouTube. Oh yeah, you can have me on there, but I'm making a video right now, so. It's called the AZ Cruiser. THE AZ Cruiser. Yeah, for Arizona.
Because I talked to Chris. I just paid for mine.
Oh, you did. You got it.
Oh yeah, from Chris.
Yeah, man, it's clean, man. You don't take off this off-roading much.
Yeah, yeah.
huh? Do you?
I've done a few trails, Broken Arrow, went out to Crown King.
Well,
I
yours
haven't
is
done
so
any
much.
lately, but
Yours is so much narrower than mine. Like the
Yeah.
80 series is. Mine's wide, man. I got scratches all over.
oh, dude, I went to the back of Lake Pleasant,
Oh yeah.
and I got all scratched up.
Oh yeah. I see. I got scratches like that
I
all
work
over.
at a dealership, and the dude that buffs and all that, he did a really good job.
Yeah, you can barely see it.
Yeah, basically. I mean, 20.
I mean, I got my sunglasses on,
How
but
that stood on that one side, but you know.
take my sunglasses off. It's getting dark now. Yeah, mine's way bigger than that. Mine's like all the way from the front, all the way till back here. One big scratch mark.
Got the JW kit here. Well
All right.
done.
Yeah, Cruiser Gear.
Yeah.
You were trying to get that Landcruiser, huh?
Which one?
The one that just came out, the 40. Was it the FJ40? The one that girl won. I was like, damn it, man. I needed that. Yeah, I bought some on there. I bought like a keychain
Because
I was trying to get
this
that.
thing is so capable, bro. It's so
Yeah,
fun.
I want to get one of these, man. They're so clean.
Yeah. It took me a few months to build it. I got it in August.
Oh man, it took me 2 years. I've been building mine for 2 years.
I got stuff to do that I still want, you know, but it's money, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Like
that's
right
the thing.
here, all this stuff.
That's the only thing that stops you is money.
Oh yeah.
You're just like, do I really need it right now? I don't know. Otherwise, if I had indispensable income,
Yeah,
we gotta be over already.
But I ended up with a runner.
Yeah, the leather. Your leather's in pretty good shape too.
Yeah,
like his leather. How many? How many?
dealership. I work at a dealership.
Yeah, how many miles you got on this thing?
171,000.
Wow.
And the lady that traded it in,
Yeah.
I mean, there was like 32 pages of maintenance.
Oh, she did all the maintenance work on it. She took it to the dealership every time.
Yeah, dude, she has like 22s on here, like baller ass 22s. It was insane. But I picked it up cheap, and I just put a little bit of money into it.
Yeah, these are underrated. Most people don't off-road on these things.
No,
That's why.
I mean,
these are underrated.
This thing was anyway, bro.
Yeah, these things are underrated because I mean, this is actually a Landcruiser too.
Yeah.
Because in Asia, it's called the Prado.
The Prado, yeah.
Yeah, it's called the Prado. So.
Oh yeah, I did all my research.
Yeah. So these are just as capable as mine.
Yeah.
So
My
when I
next
see
big
these, I'm
thing
just like,
is I do want at least a rear locker.
That's what
and
Chris
save up
told me
the
when
front.
I talked to Chris.
Where'd you get these rock sliders from?
There's a guy here that's part of the
Fabricated that?
Tacoma / Foreigner group,
Yeah.
and he welded them on. He builds them. So
Oh, he built it and
Yeah.
he welded it on?
for a good price too. And I mean, I use them, bro. Look at that shit.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
That's what I need to get next. I just took my running boards off.
Okay.
I want to get some rock sliders. That's why I'm kind of like, I could have done some tougher trails, but I don't have any rock sliders on, so I'm kind of like, I don't know.
Yeah, they come in
I
handy
just done the
for
easy
sure.
stuff. Yeah. All right.
The extra weight. Yeah. So, and that's what I've been trying to do. You know, I just re-geared. 480. I didn't have 410s, but I'm going to be pulling it for the guys looking to get
And that's the next thing. I mean, honestly, I would love to throw an ATV
Same color eyes?
No,
What's up, man? Oh, it's mine right there. Landcruiser 80 series, man. Appreciate it. What's your name?
Anthony.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm recording. I got a YouTube channel, so I gotta get some content, man. I just started it. Yeah, just AZ Cruiser, AZ Cruiser.
Hey, man, that's it.
Yeah, man. You guys got Instagram?
Yeah.
All right. Well, add y'all on Instagram.
Yeah, mine might be weird, but suck it easy.
Is that really it? Is that really it? Or you just fucking with me?
SUK.
Alright. You playing me or what?
Nah, I'm not. That's really my Instagram.
Just want to suck it easy.
That's a weird ass name.
With E.
Oh.
Said it. It's a EZ.
Oh. Oh, I see.
There you go. Yep.
Alright.
For sure, for sure.
Damn, he got a lot of followers. Ooh, 3,000. I just started mine.
Oh, yeah? Well, I had my rig for... I just got that rig.
Which one's yours?
The Tacoma, the 3rd gen.
Oh.
Yeah. So I got her back in July last year, so she's still growing. I still got a bunch of stuff to do with her, you know.
Yeah. Brand.
As of right now,
It's pretty clean.
Yeah, just trying to have a
Isn't it?
Yeah.
See, mine's all scratched up and banged up.
Don't worry
Why'd you
about
take it
that,
out,
man.
man?
Same shit with mine. But that's a part of our game, you know.
She's like, ah, crap, I got a scratch on it. It's all good. Alright.
That's where all the memories last.
Yeah. Facts right there.
I got the box shocks.
Oh, I'm only at 7%. Damn.
Oh, rides like a boat.
I should have brought my extra battery. 7% left.
Because they were really busy.
Oh, you got this on Amazon or what?
Because the soft one is kind of
Yeah.
and then you
Is this kind of came like this? Came like this from factory?
No, it's on. This is a rugged ridge.
Rugged Ridge.
Snorkel.
You got rigid lights or you got KC, huh? You don't want the rigid. Rigid's also expensive. Rigid lights?
Yeah, I think Casey's pretty fair. The price is pretty fair.
Yeah, rigid's way too expensive, man. I know. So for a light bar, like $3,000? San Miguel. Where's the San Miguel?
Are you tangled up, sweetie?
Yeah, where's the red horse? Where's the red
Come
horse?
on, are you tangled up? Yeah, there you go. Good girl.
Okay. Oh, you got something back there? Woo! RAV4 forever. Wow.
Did you guys go out with them?
Excuse me.
Together on clip, later on.
So the white one is mine, the silver one is hers. I got that's not.
Oh, all right. Let's see. Woo, Corbeau seats. All right. Wait, is this yours?
Yes.
Oh, that's why it's all pink.
Yes.
Okay, I get it now. I get it. Nice.
We got the custom tab roll cage with that flake in it.
Oh wow, yeah. I can see it now. Okay.
It's the 4L60 four-wheel drive out of the Silverado. Okay.
These speakers? Oh, these speakers, right?
Yeah. I'm not sure.
Oh, okay, you got a little system.
Or if France is bad yet. I haven't had that much time.
LEDs, Tink the pink Jeep.
So her name is Tink because Tony and Kristen's